Hello and welcome. This is the new video with new example on block styler. In this particular video, we are going to see how we can extrude with a preview window. So this is really a magical thing. We can see the preview before we actually create the extrude feature. For that, as usual, I can see the VV file inside my folder, but the DLX file is missing. So I will go to C++ folder and find out the part file as well as DLX file, and will going to paste them inside Extrude with preview folder. Now I will open this VV file into Visual Studio so that I can make a change in the DLX file. So I will copy the DLX file path and will change that inside this VV file. So I have changed it. We'll save this now. Inside NX, I will go and open the part file first. I am first going to locate the folder Extrude with preview. So this is what I have in my part. Now I will go to Tools, Journal, and Play it, but looks like there is a journal already available there. So we'll just go and locate the folder and open a VV file. Now I'm going to play this VV file. Super. We have got this dialog, and now we can start with selecting the curve. This is the first block. Let's select this one. Okay. It is asking me for a vector. I can go and select all the lines first, like this. Then I can click on select vector and select Z as my vector. Then start distance as 5 and this end distance as 25. But you can see here, we can see a preview. This is the beauty of this block styler, which enables the preview. If I untick this, then preview will not be seen. If I tick the preview button, preview checkbox, I can see this preview. Let's see what happens with show result. With show result, actually we can see how it looks like inside our part, and we also have a choice to do the undo. We can do undo and we can bring back here. Unless and until we can confirm, unless and until we are confirmed, we can play around with the values, with the limits, and we can see the result. And we can do the back and forth basically before we conclude and click on OK button. So this is how it is. The block styler that creates extrude with preview. You can go and compare this block styler dialog with the standard extrude dialog, and you can see what is the difference there. But surely this has something simpler and some magical thing, which is a preview, that is certainly good to give a try. So this is about this particular block styler example. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you are able to understand how you can try out the examples which are available with you to try, to test, to see whether they are relevant for you. Definitely, they are going to be relevant for you for learning, maybe or may not be relevant for you in your job, but definitely, learning point of view, those are useful. And you can go inside VB file, look at the code, try to understand the code. If you know Visual Basic .NET, you will definitely able to understand it. You will also able to tweak it slightly uh, and make it work. So that is also possible. For now, we are done with this example. I will see you in the next one.